On 2nd September, in a meeting chaired by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CAM of KAAC and Autonomous Council, a Memorandum of Understanding MoU was signed between the KAAC and Autonomous Council and Assam Mineral Development Corporation Limited at Dipu to begin mining works at Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts. We often heard in stories about the myth of undiscovered wealth concealed within the soils of Karbi Hills. Well, in today's time, those myths tend to turn into reality. Because Karbi Anglong is blessed with valuable natural resources like coal, silica, granite, limestone, sillimanite, iron, vanadium, titanium, china clay, and many more. Hence, to utilize those resources and generate awesome revenues from it, KAAC and Autonomous Council and Assam Mineral Development Corporation Limited had signed a Memorandum of Understanding MoU on 2nd September at Arboretum Craft Center, Dipu, in presence of Nandita Gorlosa, Minister of Mines and Minerals, Power, etc. Here is the list of all the areas where mining would be conducted under the administration of KAAC and Autonomous Council. Coal would be extracted from Silveta, Koilajan, Plurdung, Amlokhi, Desobai, Dhantaghat, Silonijan, and Laldera, Nepali Basti. Limestone would be extracted from Dilai, Silveta, Koilajan, and Woterang Langso areas of Karbi Anglong. Sillimanite would be extracted from Chupilangso and Samilangso region. Granite would be extracted from Mahamaya, Center Bajar, Dhelughat, and Silonijan region. China clay would be extracted out from Upper Deopani, Silveta, and Silonijan region. Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, while speaking to us, informed that the revenue generated from the mining would be shared in 60 to 40% stake with the shareholder as per the agreement signed. And the revenue generated from mining would boost the overall development in Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Minings would be done in such a way that there is no loss of flora and fauna's habitat and ensure no ecosystem is hampered. Bidasing Engling MLA, Dorsing Ronghang MLA, EMs, MSs, shareholders, and many important dignitaries were present during the ceremonial signing of MoU. News Desk report for KAAC and AMDCL Live.